Good afternoon, it's Joe Herbert, your Erie real estate agent, and today I'm here to take you through another neighborhood tour. And today we're going to go through the South Pointe patio home condo subdivision. It's Millcreek. It's adjacent to Pacific Avenue, and it sits between West Grandview Boulevard and West 38th Street. And it's also, on the other side of it, is Zook Park. Great location, really nice patio homes. They're individual patio homes. They have full basements under them. They're all part of a condo association. So we're going to take a nice tour of South Pointe today. But before I get going, click the thumb to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell so when I put out all this great content, you get notified. So let's check out South Pointe subdivision. Okay, so I'm pulling into the South Pointe subdivision here in Northwest Millcreek. And again, these are patio homes and they're part of a condo association. And this is in the municipality of Millcreek. And it is also in the Millcreek School District. And there's about 70 homes in here. As I mentioned, they're full basements, 2-car attached garages. They typically have 2 to 3 bedrooms and 1.5 to 2.5 bathrooms. There's somebody moving out. And what else can I tell you? The price range is typically about $200,000 to $265,000. And most of these were built in the 1997 to 2000 year range. There is a monthly condo fee. It's about $225 to $250 a month. I'd have to nail that down. We see some different data online, but I would go with about $250 a month. And this subdivision is about 9 minutes from downtown Erie. So as I mentioned, it's a great location. It's adjacent to Zook Park and Pacific Avenue, between West 38th Street and West Grandview. It's about 10 miles from Presque Isle State Park. And we'll just bounce up here and check out this little cul-de-sac because there's a couple little branches that come off the main loop. So you can see some more of these beautiful homes. If you're working at LeCom Medical School, Lake Erie College of Osteopathic Medicine, or if you are going to be a student there, this is literally 3 minutes from LeCom. LeCom is on West Grandview. You can almost throw a stone and hit LeCom. If you need to go to the Millcreek Mall, Wegmans, Lowe's, Best Buy, Target, all those great stores, you're literally, again, 6 minutes away. Very short drive. I always mention where these subdivisions are from Frontier Park, because Frontier Park is a beautiful park. Jazz Festival is there. Romolo's Chocolates and Coffee Shop is there. You can walk your dog there. You can jog. There's tennis courts, a playground. This is only 8 minutes from Frontier Park. So a fabulous, located subdivision here in Northwest Millcreek, South Pointe. And if you're looking for one-story living, these are all one-story patio homes. That's the beauty of it. But they do have great storage with the full basement, and some of these basements are finished, some are not. So that I'm exiting South Pointe now. That concludes the tour of South Pointe. Patio homes in a condo association in Northwest Millcreek. Again, I'm Joe Herbert, your Erie real estate agent. I know I have my reading glasses on because I was reading the stats for the subdivision for you, and that's cool. That's what I do. Try to educate you on Erie real estate. If you're thinking about buying or selling real estate, call or text me, 814-602-6181. And again, like this channel, click the bell so you get notified when there's more content, and click the thumb to subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Joe Herbert, your Erie real estate agent.